Hello, this is Jordy with Blue Heron School out of the Squam Lakes Natural Science Center, and today I'm going to show you how to make oobleck. All you need is some cornstarch and some water and a scoop. It really doesn't matter what size scoop you use, as long as you use the same scoop for both ingredients. So first, you're going to take 2 scoops of cornstarch, 1, 2, and then 1 scoop of water. And you're going to mix it together. And it's a little bit of a science experiment, because if it's too hard, you want to add more water. And if it's too liquidy, you want to add more cornstarch. But only add a little bit at a time, or it won't work right. So you can sort of start to see the oobleck forming. Yep, that's it. I got it just right. Is it a solid or a liquid? Only you will know.